Alright, so I think I got the treehouse figured out here. Wow, look at those trees. Yeah, everything's leaning this way. And what I figured out is that box elder tree right there has been trying to move towards the sun. And what happened is, when it's trying to move towards the sun, it pulled that structural member right there that way. And that's why the deck is sunk down here, I hope. And I dropped a plumb bob here. You can see it's tight to the post up there, about 8 feet off the ground. And down here we're about 3-4 inches. Yeah, that's about 4 inches on a plumb from there to there. And there's a pin up the bottom of that post, you know, coming out of the footing, so I know that didn't move. That's the worst part right there. This one's out of plumb over here too, but not quite as bad. And when that thing moved, I don't really know. I guess we're gonna find out, because what I'm gonna do once I get these two posts in here, I got my footings in, and I'm gonna disconnect this thing from this dead tree and that tree, and probably hack that tree down to here. Maybe let it grow into a bush or something. But once I get these two guys in, well, I gotta dig another footing right here so I can eliminate this connection right here. So when I get my third post in right here, I think we'll leave that tree. The deck floor is still level, or I mean the building floor. But once I get this third post in here, that'll allow me to hack that connection right there. And then I should be able to shove that post back that way. So when I install this post, I'm going to install it 4 inches out of plumb, just like that one, or leave it not connected to that, which kind of scares me. This is a hairy situation. Anyway, you can kind of see what I'm saying. That tree has grown trying to get to the sunshine, or who knows what's going on. But and the stairs, I know damn well I built this thing straight when I built it, but 17 years, this is what 17 years will do. You can see how the stairs are kind of going at an angle. Once I push this back, the stairs will come back to where they should be. This is an interesting situation here, to say the least. But I feel like, because I took out the temporary posts, which it looks like, I think I put those in about 9 years ago. I can't believe it's been that long. That must be when this tree snapped off right here. Anyway, there's your treehouse. Project that I wasn't counting on, but now with the slide and probably more people coming up here and using this, well, I saw a little mouse up there in the crotch of that tree the other night. I was up here with a flashlight, and that explains the mouse poop in here. So here's our slide hole behind here. Once we finish that, they had carpeting in here, and then people would leave the door open and the rain soaked the carpet and rotted out the floor. But we just got this all sealed up the other day, and we're hoping to keep her alive. Hey, you can see how that railing is kind of sloping down. I don't think Well, and this deck ain't really square either. Looks like it's not square with the treehouse anymore. So that tree has actually moved that way and that way, pulling the deck that way. Yeah, that's got to come off. And once that's not connected to that tree anymore, well, no, I won't be able to. You know what else happened? The big elm tree over here has grown fatter and pushed the deck that way probably. There's a lot going on here, to say the least. So somehow I need to make more room over here if I want the deck to go back where it should be, which means cutting that board out right there and putting in a fourth post right here and getting that off of that tree. Unbelievable. "17 years. Big day tomorrow. Try and get these posts in right here. And then we'll dig that other footing.